Assalamu alaikum students. Direct and inverse proportions. So we have already taken 2 lectures about this topic, direct and inverse proportions. So it is lecture 3rd today. Today we are taking some examples about these direct proportions. We have not discussed inverse proportions so far. Okay, we were talking about direct proportions only first. Okay, so today we are going to take some examples so that we will understand the concept of direct proportions clearly. So the example is the cost of 5 meters of a particular type of a cloth is rupees 210. Tabulate the cost of 2, 4, 10 and 13 meters of the cloth of the same type. Okay, so the question is, okay, I have bought 5 meters of cloth which cost us 210 rupees. Now I have to find actually the cost of 2 meters, 4 meters, 10 meters, 13 meters. Now you can see clearly, as the length increases, as the length of the cloth increases, the cost will also increase. So this is directly the case of direct proportions. Okay, so in direct proportions, about direct proportions, we know that the ratio is same always. Okay, the 2 parameters which are in direct proportion, the ratio is always same. So let's take this example and try to solve this. Okay, see, the question is the cost of 5 meters of cloth is rupees 210, and we have to tabulate this cost of 2, 4, 10, and so let's make a table first. So here it is a table. Say for example, let length of cloth is equal to x meters and its cost in rupees is equal to rupees y, right? So x, y, right? So x here, say for example 2, then 4, then 10, 5. Okay, 5 meters is given already, 10 and 13. We know the cost of 5 meters, it is 210, right? And we do not know the value of this y. For example, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4, and this is y5. Fine. So okay, you can see that when the length of cloth increases, the cost will also increase. So this is the case of direct proportions. So in case of direct proportions, the ratio of this must be equal to this. Okay, that means that is x1 divided by x1 divided by y1 is equal to x2 divided by y2 is equal to x3 divided by y3 is equal to x4 divided by y4, that will be equal to x5 divided by y5, right? So this is x1, 2, 4 is x2, this is x3, x4, x5, this is y2, y3, this will be y1, this is y4, this is y5. Okay, so this is x1, because this is given 5 by 210, this is given x1, y1, this is x2, x3, x4, x5. So I will take in order to find the value of this y2, y3, y4, y5, I will take these two. Okay, we know that x1 is equal, x1 divided by y1 is equal to x2 divided by y2. So that means 2 by y2 is equal to 4 divided by y3. 4 divided by y3 is equal to, so that is 2 divided by y2 is equal to 4 divided by y3 is equal to 5 divided by 210, that will be equal to 10 divided by y4, that will be equal to 13 divided by y5. Now take these two, because in this we have to find only y3. Okay, rest of 3 is given. Okay, I will take this. We have 4 divided by y3 is equal to 5 divided by 210. Right, so or okay, multiply this and this. Okay, so it will be 5y3 is equal to 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Right, so or y3 is equal to, now this will 840 will be divided by 5, so that will be equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 8s are 40. So that means y3, so that means this is y3, it will be equal to 168. Right, now let me rub this first, this part. Okay, now let's take another two. Now we know that y by 3 is equal to y3 is equal to 168. Now you can take any of these any of the two parameters. Okay, now you can take these two. Okay, now 2 by y2 is equal to 4 divided by y3. We know that y3 is equal to 168. Right, so it will be equal to, multiplying this, 4y2 is equal to multiplying these two. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, 2 1s are 2 is equal to 3. Okay, or y2 is equal to 336 divided by 4, so which will be equal to 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 84 meters, right? Meters. So this will be 84. Similarly, now you can compare these two. Okay, now then these two, okay, you will find the value of y4 and y5. So let's try that. So this is y2 is equal to 84. Okay, let me rub this now. Okay, because there is no that much space, right? So now let's try comparing any of the two. Okay, numbers. You can compare 2 divided by y2 is equal to 10 divided by y4. y2, you know that is equal to 84, which is equal to 10 divided by y4, right? So that is equal to 2y4, that is equal to 840, or y4 is equal to 840 divided by 2, or y4 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 420. Okay, now you can compare these two. Okay, let me rub this. 2 divided by y2 is equal to 13 divided by y5. Okay, 2 divided by y2, we know that is equal to 84. 13 divided by y5, y5, so which is equal to 2y5 is equal to 13 into 84. 13 into 84, which is equal to y5 is equal to 13 into 84 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now we have to multiply 13 into 42. 13 2s are 26, 13 4s are 52, 52 plus 2 is equal to 54. So that is equal to 546. Right. Okay, this I wrote in order to memorize this. Now finally I have to make another table. So this is another table here, x, y. So 284, 4 168, 5 210, 10 y4, sorry y4, sorry to 420. Now we have to write the actual values, 13 546. So this is our answer, right? Okay, tomorrow we will be talking about lecture 4th of the same topic, direct and inverse proportions.